Hello, so it had to happen. Someone asked us, can you sharpen our French knife? When we say French knife, we mean sabatier. So this sabatier is made in France. It's a pretty good knife, not so easy to sharpen. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the clip on the back of the knife, like you've seen us do before. Gives you the perfect angle. We're going to wet the whetstone. Works better with water. Okay? And right here, we're starting with a 1000 grit stone. We're going to go from the heel to the tip, following that angle with the guide clip. And repeat with the opposite side. Okay, knife's getting sharp. We're going to move on quickly here to the 3000 grit. Again, we're going to add some water. A little more water if necessary. Okay, just a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing. Heel to the tip. Equal strokes on both sides. Okay, we're going to finish off real quickly with an 8000 grit. 8000 grit, we add a little wood jig to make it fit right in there. Okay, once again a little bit of water. Wow, you can see how fast this is when you got the right tools. Heel to the tip. And repeat. Okay, I'm going to remove the clip from the knife, wipe the knife off on a small piece of paper here, a little paper towel, and I'm going to use the leather strop. You've seen this in some of the other videos, I think. Both sides. Okay, I think that knife's pretty sharp. Here's some of this crap we get in the mail. You guys get all this stuff too, I'm sure. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty good. Now, just to show you how sharp it is, let's check this out here. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, about 20 layers of paper. Let's check it out here. 20 layers. Okay? Can your knife do that with 20 layers of paper? I don't know. But I'll tell you what, the sabatier is working some magic over here. So there you go. The French knife sharpened so quickly with the 3 whetstones and the clips. We got them right here. Okay, we got 1000, 3000, 8000, and the clips. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there.